NVIDIA is the leader when it comes to GPU. According to latest figures from NVIDIA, NVIDIA's business is now 70% inference and only 30% training, and that gap is widening. What it means is that artificial intelligence is getting into the hands of end users more and more, which is quite heartening. NVIDIA has just released that they are going to release new RTX 500 and 1000 Ada generation laptop GPUs. If you want to run large language models, especially the smallish one around 3 billion, 1 billion, 7 billion on your local laptop, now you would be able to do them. These new NVIDIA cards will be released worldwide in spring this year, or if you're in Australia like me, maybe in the autumn this year. Now, it will be a laptop oriented, laptop friendly package. These chips are based on NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture. In my another video, I have described in great detail about all the architectures NVIDIA has released so far, so please have a look at it. The heavy hitter GPUs are teamed up with an neural processing unit which can take on light AI tasks on its own. It tackles both everyday AI stuff and seriously demanding workflows. So you can even run your model and then others can inference from it. These new GPUs will be available very soon, as I said, and the laptops in which you can get them will be from Dell, HP, Lenovo and MSI. Laptops with AI hardware can help increase the reach of AI tools to more people. So if you're a student experimenting with AI, if you're a business, you want your employees to use AI tools quickly, then maybe if you're looking to buy laptops, maybe if you can wait, just wait for these laptops. We all know that NVIDIA is a leader in provisioning and providing GPUs for big training runs by AI labs and public clouds. Now it is entering into this smallish market, and I think it is going to be a blast in my humble opinion. So if you're looking to do stable diffusion or LLMs with OLAMA or more devices, sky will be the limit very soon. I'm not sure if you have stumbled across the keynote of Jensen Huang, who is the NVIDIA CEO, a real cool person. According to him, NVIDIA is not only coming up with these new GPUs, but also NVIDIA is building a new type of data center called as AI factory. And according to him, every company, no matter what the field is, like biotech, self-driving, manufacturing, power, construction, mining, everyone would need an AI factory. And I will do another complete video on the concept of AI factory. Anyway, but for this video, you can see that this blog post has more detail around the architecture and bit of a high level overview of this new GPU card coming up from NVIDIA. You can see that this new RTX 500 GPU, this delivers up to 14 times the generative AI performance for models like Stable Diffusion, up to 3 times faster photo editing with AI, and up to 10 times the graphics performance for 3D rendering. Now, don't think that with the coming up of these new GPUs, the crunch and the shortage of GPUs will be reduced. According to NVIDIA, that is not going to happen this year and not even next year. So if you are struggling to get GPUs, then that scenario unfortunately will stay unless and until there is another new player in the market, like we have heard that Huawei might or Hitachi might be entering. So let's see what they come up with. Just a last bit, NVIDIA has crossed 2 trillion in market cap. Just let it digest for a minute. That's it, guys. Let me know what do you think. I'll drop the link to this blog post in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.